Hi everyone, hope you're all doing great. Moving to an empty house with a little more than just our clothes has meant that we've made several purchases in the past month and many of them on Amazon, especially because since we are renting, we wanted some renter friendly products that we can move around later in terms of storage, in terms of certain functionalities like mirror, and we found some very interesting products on Amazon, and now that they're here and we've been using them for a bit, I thought it will be a nice chance to talk to you about it. So here are 10 products that we've recently purchased via Amazon. Before I talk about the first product, let me just put it out there that this is in no way a sponsored video. All these products were purchased by us for our own functional and home decor purposes, and it's just an honest opinion about how they are. The first product I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is this particular Chindi Cotton Rug. Now, I have experience with this material in the rug format previously because we had purchased one in Singapore, and what I found was that it's incredibly easy to maintain because I could just put it in my washing machine and have it cleaned every once in a while. So I decided to go for the similar experience in terms of functionality, and this particular rug, when I saw it, I really liked the design. So the seller claims it's made from recycled cotton, and the design that you see on top of it is actually an HD print. I've not yet washed it, so that's something that I will have to test it out how it comes out of a wash, but so far it's really nice and I'm really happy with it because it adds a nice splash of color and design to this section that we have right here. The second product I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a set of cushion covers. It's a set of 6 cushion covers, and I really like how it has turned out. I had something very specific in mind for this when I was looking on Amazon. I wanted ikat print pattern, and I wanted a certain color palette which had blues and grays in it. So when I found this, it matched what I had in mind. When it came home, I discovered that it's quite a good budget friendly deal because the whole thing cost me around 700 bucks. For 6 cushion covers, that's not bad at all. And the material looks quite sturdy. In terms of the zip, I don't really know how it's going to be durable in the long term, but for now it's good, and I really like the way the cushions look in these covers, so happy with it. The third product I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this footstool. Now, it's actually to rest your feet up when you're sitting on any other furniture like the couch or an accent chair, but I was particularly looking for additional seating options for the living room, and I was looking at poofs and ottomans when I came across this footstool by Nestroots on Amazon, and I really liked how it looked in terms of how the legs are very thin, so it's metal and it's been given a gold finish, but it's very minimal in terms of the legs. On top, the cushion had a sort of color scheme that I felt would go well with the rest of the furniture we had. When it came home, I was quite happy with the product, except for the fact that the metal legs, the spray paint job that they've done is not very thorough, so it's a little patchy, but in terms of the cushion on top, it's extremely comfortable, and as far as the color scheme goes really well with the rest of the furniture that we have. Also, it's some sort of flexible seating because it's lightweight. You can carry it easily to the balcony, to the terrace, or to any other room in the house, so that's something I love about it. We've come to the fourth product, and the reason we purchased this is because we don't have any storage in any of the bathrooms, and as everyone knows, bathrooms tend to collect quite a bit of things in terms of toiletries, cosmetics and so on. So when I found this on Amazon, I got pretty excited because it looks aesthetic. In fact, I would happily use this product anywhere in the house and not just the bathroom. It was also extremely easy to assemble. So this comes as a set of panels all packed in a nice tight flat pack, and we put it together. There's a simple instruction list, and of course they've given some nails which is very easy to nail, and you just need a screwdriver. So there's a little door that comes here, and it's tall enough to store certain cleaning agents like Harpic or whatever else that one may use. There's a tissue napkin holder slot here, which is also quite useful, and on top there is some storage here, and at the extreme top you can probably place something for just the decor toy aesthetics, like a plant. So it's really nice. I've purchased 2 of these for 2 bathrooms, and the best part about it is supposed to be water resistant. I'm not sure if they claim to be 100% waterproof, but we've been using it in the bathroom and it's been getting wet. So far we've not faced any issues. This is something that's again very cost budget friendly for the design and the style. I think it's a great buy. In line with the bathroom cabinets you just saw, we wanted something a little more functional yet aesthetic for the master bedroom's bathroom. So basically we wanted something that could function both as a mirror as well as a storage solution. And when we found this product on Amazon, we thought it looked very stylish and we couldn't resist hitting the buy button. When it came home for the first time, it was unfortunately in the wrong color and broken, so we had to get a replacement, and the replacement was perfect in the color that we had opted for and with no damages. So we put it up and now we have a really nice mirror in the bathroom, and it's also a very cool storage solution because things can be kept hidden away behind the mirror. However, unlike the bathroom cabinets in the previous point, this requires a little bit of tools when it comes to installation, because you will have to drill holes into the wall or into the tiles, as the case may be. It's a heavy product, so you'll have to do it properly. We already had 4 holes drilled in the wall by the landlord. It did not match the hole provisions in the product we received. So what we did is we took a template of what was on the wall and placed it behind on the back side of the mirror, and then drilled fresh holes into our product so that we need not cause any further damage, and it looks great. The 6th product I'm going to be talking about is this set of 6 table mats or placemats. We purchased a marble top dining table, and marble can be extremely sensitive when it comes to stains and spills. So it's just best to protect it while having meals by using, a table runner and placemats. For placemats, I wanted a natural material, so I opted for jute, and this is one that had some color options as well, and we went for grey because we thought it will go better with the marble top table and look more subtle. It is perfect in terms of the texture as well as the color is as promised on the website. I really like how it looks, and I'll only know how it functions in terms of after wash. Does it shrink or look different? I'll know that only after I wash it, which I haven't, but so far so good. The 7th product I'm going to be sharing with you is our Jute Area Rug. Now you guys know that I love natural materials, and jute is something that I feel strongly about because it's so easy to maintain and provides a beautiful aesthetic. So just like the jute placemats, we decided we'd opt for a jute area rug, and when we went on to Amazon and looked for options, we didn't find too many with great reviews. This particular seller had the best reviews of the lot, and we decided to go ahead and give it a try. So I chose pretty much the largest size that they had as an option, and when I opened it, the product was mostly perfect for the price point. I think it's a great buy because anywhere else you'll probably have to pay 2 to 3 times this cost for this size of a rug. And my only issues were that the edges, the finishing could be done better, and when the product reached us, it had so much jute dust that it needed multiple rounds of vacuuming to get it clean enough to be inside the house. Besides this, it's really nice, and we're currently loving it in the living room. So the next thing I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a set of 3 gardening products that I purchased on Amazon. Of course, they were all separate purchases, but I'm just bunching it together here for the sake of this video. The first one is cocoa peat. It's a great way to add a more aerated soil base for your plants, so you can add it to your garden soil and then use it. Also, in terms of quantity, it's a very functional buy because a product like this, which is a very neat block, will become 4 to 5 times its size when you let it come in contact with water. So that's how you use it, and until then it's very easy to store it away, unlike garden soil. I've used it now for all our pots, so basically all the nursery plants we've purchased have been potted, and very happy about it. The other product is neem oil. Now you guys know I've used neem oil previously in Singapore and even before that, and I really swear by how effective it is in getting rid of most bugs and insects that you will encounter in your gardening journey without harming the plant. In fact, even this product needs to be used a little carefully in terms of dilution and of course not in harsh sunlight, but it's any day better alternative to chemical products. The next product is something that I was looking out for locally, and I asked quite a few nurseries but they did not have it, and that is the moss pole. I really wanted a good quality moss pole, so I went looking for several of the options that were available, and I'm quite happy to have purchased it. I've already used one of it with my Monstera, and the other one I plan to use with the money plant, and I still have 2 more because it was a pack of 4 that I can use for other plants as well. So together all these 3 gardening products have been good purchases. So the 9th product I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this plastic rack. I know I talk about trying to avoid plastic, and I looked at some metal options as well. However, the area that we're going to be using this in, which is the utility section, it also has the washing machine and the dishwasher, and because of the current plumbing situation, has quite a bit of water on the floor as well. We wanted to avoid anything with metal because it tends to rust easier. Also, we like this product from a modular perspective because this can be entirely dismantled down to the wheels and can be packed up in a very compressed manner, so that will be easy when we move around or shift. It's got 5 racks and even wheels at the bottom for easy mobility. We can store some of our grocery products that need to be kept out in the open, such as onions, potatoes, garlic and all of that, and also certain other functional items in the utility area in some of the lower shelves. The 10th and final product I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a rather unique one. I first saw something like this in a Korean home tour video, and I thought it's extremely useful product to have at home because it allows for vertical organization. I'm referring to a shoe rack, and a shoe rack unlike the ones that we've used in our past homes, because this allows for shoes to be stored vertically, which means the entire depth of the product is just 5 inches, and that means you can place this product in very subtle spaces at home, like say even behind the front door. In our case, we put it outside the front door in the passage area. We just needed to drill 2 holes into the wall to install this product, and that's about it. It just seamlessly merges with the wall because of its color and shape and size. So we really like it. It allows for about 12 pairs of footwear to be stored at any point of time, and for a small family like ours, it's more than sufficient. So it also has doors that are very easy in terms of how they can be opened and how the shoes can be accessed. Also, the doors, the panels come with holes in them for ventilation so that they ensure, there's no foul smell there. For anyone who is concerned about safety, this product even comes with a lock. So for those like us who have the product outdoors, we can always lock it up with the key. They've provided 2 keys in case you were to lose one. The product overall is extremely functional and quite good looking as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's unlike anything I've done before. I've never spoken about products I've purchased at length, and I hope it was useful. Maybe you could check out the links that I've provided in the description box, and in case you have any other questions about these products, do feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.